Hi, I'm Andy Semichuk, a U.S. and Canadian immigration lawyer, and I want to welcome you to this website. Over the course of the last 30 years, I've helped over 10,000 clients with various legal problems. And in the course of that work, I've put together a bunch of material that I thought would be helpful to people who want to get answers to immigration questions, and I've put that material together on this website for your use. Here you'll find information on things like how do I sponsor a spouse, how do I get a work permit, how do I get citizenship, how do I get a waiver for criminal inadmissibility, and questions like that. I hope the website will be helpful to you. Let me finish by saying one more thing. When I talk to clients, one of the big concerns they have in dealing with an immigration lawyer is the cost. They always ask me right up front, what's the cost? And I like to answer by saying, well, it's like asking someone, let's say at the United Airlines counter, what's the cost? But you haven't told them yet, where are you going? And at what date? And is it first class or economy, etc.? The same is true with respect to the cost of doing an immigration matter. I need to know more about that. And that's why I got to talk to you before I can give you some idea of the cost. But it's always reasonable and competitive at any rate when it comes to work in my office. So look through the website, and if you'd like to contact me, all the information is there. By all means, phone or email me. Thanks.